Hey, this is Josh from DC Cargo Mall, and I want to tell you about our ratchet strap with integrated soft loop. Let me show you how it works. If the strap is not threaded yet, begin by pressing the release latch and opening the lever fully. Make sure that the axle slot is facing up. If it is not, ratchet a few times until it is. Now, thread the feed end into the slot and pull it through to the front, about 5-6 inches, and ratchet 2-3 times to get a light grip. Next, insert the snap hook on the feed side onto an anchor point. Then take the soft loop end, loop around the cargo, and snap into the D-ring, right here. Now just pull in the slack and ratchet tight. A great thing about this strap is that you can also use it as a standard ratchet strap with snap hooks on both ends.